excited? Are we excited? Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? All right, hold on. Here, scoot over. Ready? Ready? Rainy, are you ready? Go ahead. Is it deep? Rainy, rainy. Easy. Sunshine! Sunshine! Let your sister pee. Sunshine, come here. Good girl. Ooh, hello. Ooh, it's windy. Piggy, piggy. You stalking her? Look, you're covered in snow already. Get her! Oh, goodness. Is that it? Here. Let's see if we can find a tennis ball under all of this fluff. Sunshine. I didn't even throw it yet. No crying. Oh, did she step on your foot or something? Sunshine said, "This is great." Okay, let's go in.